Jake Ludington here at HP Discover in Frankfurt, Germany, and I'm here with Patrick Eitenbichler and Susan Underhill from the Expert One program. And what is it about Expert One that is kind of shaping things up for the IT learning community?
I think the first thing to look at is traditionally in your IT organizations you need a networking specialist, a storage specialist, a server specialist. You have deep knowledge in a particular subject matter, and those people need to now expand to get ready for the future, whether it's converged infrastructure, cloud, information optimization, enterprise security, application transformation. They need new skills in order to move into the future. And when we talk to customers like you, we find there is a skills gap.
So, and tell me about the skills gap. Like, what are the missing pieces, and how is Expert One better preparing people to close that gap?
Okay. So essentially, the traditional certification programs from technology vendors have been very focused on deep technical skills around their products. And as Patrick explained, there's still a deep need for technical expertise around products, but there's a much broader requirement. And as our customers and our channel partners are moving into new technology and solution areas, the requirements that they have for skilled individuals are changing. And so the certification programs need to do the same. So Expert One is really leading the way in that, where we're taking the technology, the business context, and real life hands-on experience and bringing that together into a single solution.
And from what I understand, you have a program that kind of looks at more of a holistic view of technology education, not just HP technologies, but kind of the broader technology learning.
Yeah, there's a couple of components. For example, when we look at cloud, we have a cloud administrator certification that's targeted customers, cloud integrator to actually integrate the solution, cloud architect to actually sit back and look at what are the requirements and then put it together. Now, our highest level certification is the so-called Master Converged Infrastructure ASE certification. That is a board review where somebody has to have at least 10 years of experience in the industry, and they basically get a problem posed to them, a business problem. They have to come up with a technical solution and then present it to a board, similar to real life, where they would present it to a board of a company. That's the ultimate goal for those technical people to truly help the business move forward and innovate. Now, there's another tool we have created called HP Institute, and Susan shares how we build the base of certifications to build the pool of qualified individuals.
What is it that the educational institutions are looking for from HP and Expert One?
What they're looking for is a program that's going to help differentiate both their institution in terms of competing with other institutions, so students are opting to go there, but also providing their students with the business-ready skills to go into the workforce. So the HP Institute actually has employers lined up to hire these students when they get certified and graduate.
So this is kind of a career path more than just being because a lot of times people think of certifications as a way to kind of extend their existing career. This sounds like it's a way to launch your career.
That's exactly right. In fact, we look at Expert One really as a community. So once you come in and you're part of this community, we have a long-term relationship with you where we're keeping you current on the latest technologies and trends to help at an individual level enhance your career.
So where can we get started if you want to get started with Expert One?
So like Susan said, it's about the community, and the benefit of joining the Expert One community is that you get access to HP experts, knowledge, and community. Exclusive access to HP experts mean you get to interact with HP R&D, you get access to level 2 support, and you get to exclusive events put on for certified professionals with Expert One to interact with HP experts. Secondly, exclusive access to HP knowledge, and that's through labs that they can actually do hands-on labs, learn about technology, as well as content and tools from HP. And then exclusive access to the community means you get best practices from the community of industry experts like you, as well as access to job boards where new opportunities may come along. So the thing we need you to do is to go to hp.com/go/expert1 to join our community and get started.
All right, Patrick and Susan, thank you.